the piston one right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So piston one is on TDC now. So you can tell the shape of this cam. Here you see this is flat right here, flat on this side too. Same thing on the exhaust cam, flat right here and flat on this side. Those are where you put your locking tools to do timing chain replacement. That's how you find out you're on TDC, because it's flat on each side right here, and that's when you place the cam holder down like that. It would slide right in. If this is not straight like this, if this is an angle, the cam holder is not gonna fit. So you know that that's a TDC on the cylinder number 1, and the marking on the chain here I'll show you in a bit. To put that tools here, you're gonna have to take out this oil line right here. You're gonna have to take this out with this 3 bolts. Looks like a 8 mil. So it looks like we're good here, and same thing on the other side. You can see how that flat spot right here on the side. Same thing on here, the flat spot on the side. That's ready to put. It's locked and ready to put. The tools slide in place just like that, and this cam is not gonna move. Make sure this is a line for pressure. Oil pressure line goes in here. Oil pressure. So you have to take this off. Same thing on the other side or the other side, and so that you have room to lock the cam. So it goes like that. So the cam lock is not all the way in. I'm gonna have to turn the crank a little bit. This is not squared out. So gonna turn the crank a little bit. Yeah, looks good to me. That's good enough. See, bottom out right here, and a little bit right here. Make sure if that thing bottoms out, she's all locked. Now let's do the other side. This should be going nice and smooth. There we go. Bottom out on the housing of the head. So this is good. TDC. That's locked. Same thing on the other side.